Russian nuclear submarine mysteriously catches fire. Russia's Ministry of Defense says 14 sailors were killed when a nuclear-powered submarine caught fire while it was underwater last week. The exact cause of the fire is unknown. Citing anonymous sources, Russian media outlet RBC reports that the vessel was the AS-12 Losharik submarine. The AS-12 can reach depths of up to 6,000 meters. Its nuclear reactor is isolated and operates autonomously. According to Russian newspaper Novaya Gazeta, the AS-12 is carried beneath the hull of the nuclear-powered submarine Orenburg to avoid detection. Russian news agency TASS cited a statement by the Russian Military of Defense as saying that the submarine was in Russian territorial waters and was studying the seafloor. The statement added that the sailors died as a result of inhaling combustion products on the vessel. RBC reports Russia's President Vladimir Putin canceled a planned visit and extended condolences to the family members of the victims. According to TASS, President Putin ordered a thorough investigation to determine the cause of the submarine fire.